Welcome to this Apploye tutorial on how to export reports. First, go to the Report section from the left sidebar. Here, choose the report you want to export, such as time and activity, manual time, apps and URL, or custom reports. You can also export clock in and out, timesheet, or payroll reports. For now, let's go to time and activity reports. Next, from the top section, select the date range and choose any filters like members or projects. Click on Apply to apply those filters. Once the data is updated, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose the desired time format, for example, decimal. Click on the CSV or PDF button, depending on your needs. The file will download instantly to your device. And that's how you export reports in Apploye. Thank you for watching. Check out our other tutorials for more quick guides on using Apploye.